All right, Doug Burns is here, former federal prosecutor. We'll see where he stands on all of this. And if nothing else, we have a lot of drama, right, Doug? The president has set it up that way for us. Are you handicapping one of those top four that Adam talked about? Or?
I am, but before I do, I really appreciate Chuck Schumer's history lesson because Antonin Scalia was confirmed 98-0.
Right.
Okay.
And Kennedy himself.
Yeah, I know, and I think it's important that everybody recognize that, just in the sense that the process has become more and more toxically political.
Yes, it has.
Yeah.
Yep.
Now, back to your point. Yeah, I've handicapped it, like a mad scientist, all the different factors, many of which everybody's heard, and I don't want to repeat them ad nauseum, but, Brett Kavanaugh, certainly, a leading choice.
Yep.
All four, let's look at it globally, come from the United States Court of Appeals. That's not surprising. That's the training ground. 8 of the 9 current justices, I'm including Justice Kennedy, came from the Court of Appeals.
Right.
Elena Kagan came from an even better spot. She was Solicitor General, which is often referred to as the 10th Justice, by the way, because the Solicitor General's office appears in the Supreme Court in every case that the government's a party to. So the point is, my pick, though, I feel that Thomas Hardiman may get the nod tonight. It's just kind of a gut feeling.
It seems like his stock has been rising for whatever reason, but we don't know the reason because, unlike other decisions that are made in Washington, this one really hasn't leaked. We've found out that the president has made a decision. We don't know who, but some of the stories the last few days, Hardiman, who was the number 2 pick last time around, he was kind of the runner-up to Gorsuch.
Yeah, it's interesting. To put it in, I guess, colloquial terms, if that's the right word. If the president feels that the bridesmaid, now should be the bride, to complete the analogy, then he may pick him. The other thing, of course, is, Amy Barrett. What I find interesting there is that would be the first female conservative pick to the Supreme Court. We've had Justices Kagan and Sotomayor and Ginsburg. Sandra Day O'Connor was a moderate appointed by Reagan.
Right.
So to have a conservative female pick may very well be the direction it goes in. Again, it's so hard to handicap. You need a crystal ball.
We talk all the time about elections having consequences and how the Supreme Court is probably the largest consequence of an election.
No question about it.
How large is this particular pick? I know everybody's talking about the court now having a solid conservative majority. What about the big issues that are on the table?
Well,
is Roe v. Wade one of them?
It's a great question, and the reason is that everybody has to keep in mind, again, a little bit of a history lesson, that the last seat was a replacement of Antonin Scalia, a rock-ribbed conservative, by another conservative. My late father, who was very involved in law, worked in the DOJ, by the way, said, Doug, the next pick's going to be a bloodbath because you're going to replace the swing vote, who he described as one of the most powerful people in the country, with a conservative. That's going to be a big deal. Now, to your question about Roe v. Wade and the other issues, people have to understand the Supreme Court is a court of law, okay? But occasionally the big issues come before the court, things wide open like a right to abortion, gay marriage, and that's where the court becomes a little bit more like a legislature, and that's why we have all these ideological dust-ups. If the Supreme Court, quick hypothetical, was interpreting real estate contracts, we wouldn't be having these intense ideology debates. And again, these votes have become so political. So for me as a lawyer and a student of the court to hear how it's 51-50 before anybody's even been named, again, I go back to Scalia 98-0. It was a different time.
And now you're talking about Republicans, Murkowski and Collins possibly being in play as well. But we'll talk more about that a little bit later on. Good to see you, Doug.
Thanks so much.